Which object helps you see tiny things? Think carefully. The correct answer is magnifying glass. Fantastic! You're a little explorer. Which season is perfect for building snowmen? Let's think. It's winter! Wonderful! Great job! Which room is used for cooking? Think carefully. The answer is kitchen! Awesome! You are doing great! Which tool helps erase pencil marks? Time to choose. The correct answer is eraser. Excellent! You're super smart. Which drink is made from fresh oranges? Let's think together. The correct answer is orange juice. Hooray! You're a quiz champion. See you next time. Which object helps you hear music? Think carefully. The correct answer is headphones! Amazing! You're doing a fantastic job! Which planet is called the red planet? Let's think. It's Mars! Awesome! You're a space explorer! Which object shows your reflection? Time to choose! The answer is mirror! Wonderful! You're so smart!